In today's fast-paced digital era, staying productive and focused has become more challenging than ever before. We're constantly being distracted with notifications, emails, and social media updates, all vying for our attention. But fear not, my friends, because in this video, we'll explore the future of productivity and how to overcome a world of endless distractions. Remote work is here to stay, and at some point in the future, all of us will inevitably be fully detached from the office or adopt some form of hybrid routine. Challenges such as miscommunication, lack of accountability, and technology can greatly impede both you, the individual, and the organization. These hurdles stem from the absence of face-to-face interactions, leading to misunderstandings, lack of clear goals, and ineffective collaboration. Without a structured approach, the true benefits of remote work cannot be realized and may cause more harm to workflow and productivity than good. When dealing with remote work, implementing strategies focused on encouraging frequent and transparent communication through various channels, setting clear expectations and goals, and leveraging collaboration tools can lead to better collaboration across teams and accountability amongst individuals and organizations.
Atlassian is one of the biggest voices today on getting the best combination of corporate culture, remote work, and productivity. If there is anyone that is qualified to speak on remote work, it's Atlassian's work futurist, Dom Price.
So if you're in an industry where time to market is important, that means you need to start quickly. You want to start with high confidence you're doing the right thing, and that doesn't mean flying everyone in. It's how can you do that asynchronously and get fast feedback loops. And feedback loops can't just be written word. It's written word plus visual plus annotation, and then the ability to give that instant high fidelity feedback.
By proactively addressing these challenges and implementing effective strategies, both you and your organization can enhance productivity, engagement, and success in remote work environments. As we advance further into the digital realm, our reliance on technology grows. The constant distractions from our digital devices can be incredibly disruptive to our workflow. A study by the University of California, Irvine, found that it takes an average of 23 minutes and 15 seconds to regain focus after being distracted. Think about how many times this happens throughout the day, and you'll be left wondering if you ever got any work done at all. Take control of your digital distractions by turning off notifications, closing unnecessary tabs and applications, and consider using website blockers to prevent mindless scrolling. Dedicate specific times throughout the day for checking emails and social media. It's a hard thing to start, but trust me, doing a digital detox is the best first step to overcome the barriers of productivity. That's not to say remove all forms of technology, it's a matter of harnessing the tech that will positively enhance your productivity and blocking out those that don't.
Solis has been at the forefront of future work-related conversations for decades. A TED speaker, author of multiple books, and head of innovation for ServiceNow, we sat down with him recently to hear what he had to say about how people should be thinking of work and productivity today.
Not just even becoming more productive, it's actually being more creative in the real life. When I'm not in the office, I'm on the road, and I don't want to be on the road and not be able to do the great things I can do when I'm in the office or when I'm at home. Work reimagined, whether it's at home or in the office, it's got to be the same.
As a result of all these digital stimuli, it's no surprise we can easily become overwhelmed to the point where we find ourselves trying to escape by seeking comfort in other distractions. It's an ugly, never-ending cycle, and we've all fallen victim to procrastination at some point. Whether you're a morning person or a night owl, identify the times when you're at your best and schedule your most important tasks during those periods. Additionally, create a workspace that is conducive to focus and productivity. Simply having a laptop isn't enough these days, especially if you are constantly on the move. So having a second display that is easy to carry around ensures you never feel lacking when you are away from your desk at home. A good setup should make your workflow feel seamless, and that in turn means you can achieve your best work no matter where you go.
The espresso display makes me feel like I can focus without feeling restricted by just the screen of my laptop. And I love it for when I need a change of scenery because it's so easy for me to go from here to the dining room, to a coffee shop, to get on a plane to leave the country if I need to go to a speaking engagement. Have everything packed up and seamlessly get that full setup.
Establishing a flexible daily routine and work setup not only improves workflow and productivity, but it will also better prepare you for any unforeseen distractions that may arise in the future. In the fast-paced digital era, mastering focus and productivity is crucial for achieving our goals and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. By recognizing distractions and implementing actionable solutions, we can reclaim our productivity and thrive in the future of work. Productivity is not about doing more, but about doing the right things more effectively. At Espresso, we pride ourselves in our pursuit of productivity. We partner with inspiring individuals who are at the forefront of their respective fields, helping us help you achieve your best work wherever you are. Here are two great minds delving into the future of work, which you don't want to miss.